All right, y'all know how we do it at the skate park. We always got to walk down the stairs and get this going. Now, I did a couple adjustments to here. I went ahead, I changed the servo out, and that was about it. I don't plan on going crazy like this like I did with my XRT. I think I brought this to the skate park over a year ago when I got this again, because this is my second one actually. You guys know we had this huge puddle down here that I'm going to actually avoid with this car because I don't want to get water inside these tires and wheels. These are pretty expensive to replace, and I did not vent them. And I am actually kind of going light too because I don't want to crack these wheels. But that steering servo, oh my gosh, night and day difference. I can actually turn a little bit faster. And being as wet as it is out here, struggle a little bit with traction once the tires get wet, but now don't get me wrong, this truck is strong and it is doable. Plenty of guys have modified these trucks to run 8S and backflips and double backflips and everything else, but I don't plan on doing all that. I kind of want to leave it stock. If I find weak points on it, I will modify those, because this is still the prettiest big truck that I have that I own. I think this is first, Outcast is second, and then so forth, so forth. I know you guys really want me to do that big jump, but y'all see that big puddle of water over there? It's not happening. Not today. Not today, guys. Plus the battery I got in here is a little bit too big for it. So I started jumping really big. Surprised it hasn't come loose yet. This is actually performing pretty good out here too. I heard something over there. Ooh, right on the body. And since we're not going to do the big jump, we're just going to do jump after jump after jump. Let's see. Oh yeah, this truck can do this all day. Do a little 3D jumping. Try to jump right at us. Look at this thing. This thing is performing good, guys. It really, really is. Look at this. Trying to do a donut, look cool, but it didn't work out. All right, y'all. Gonna be a run of this. I'm gonna get this back out another day when that water kind of subside down over there. But I had to get this out and get this run. Look at them big old lugs and look at them big old tires. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate you guys watching.